guys, I'm Greta and welcome back to my channel. In today's video is going to be my Poland vlog. So basically me and my mom are going for a weekend vacation to Poland, which I'll explain later why we're going and everything. And time check, it is currently 1:10 a.m. and we're leaving at 2, so I have to do a lot of packing and stuff like that. So let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is packing. I have a lot of packing to do. I haven't done any packing yet. Okay guys, so I do have a list of what I need to pack. Okay, let's go do some packing. We need to... Oh, girl. Okay guys, time check. It is currently 1:54 a.m. and we're about to leave. So this is my fit. I'm gonna wear comfy because we have a 12-hour, almost a flight. We have a 12-hour ride. So I'm wearing these comfy pajama pants and then this hoodie. It's so comfy. Time check, it is currently 2:52. Okay guys, so it is currently 12:04 p.m. I'm running on 2 hours of sleep. I don't know how I have this energy, but we have like an hour and a half left of the ride. So we're feeling good. Hopefully this works. I don't even know if this works, so. Okay guys, my camera is about to die, but we're about to do it now. I'm gonna give you the room tour later, but I'm getting ready. Okay guys, so notice that I lost the footage where I was kind of trying to explain the whole reason of this video. And like, why are we going to this trip? What is going on? What is it about? So I'm gonna try to explain everything and make it clear for you guys. Okay, so the main reason why we're going to this trip is because of my mom's business. So we went to a dMb global business meeting. So this trip was basically meeting with different people from all over the world who are talking about this business and so much more that you'll see in this video. And I'm so happy that I get to share my experience with you guys. Okay, so the main reason why I was so excited about this trip is because I finally met my internet best friend. Okay, so I have this best friend. We were internet best friends for a while, for like over 2 years, and I have met her whole family except for her many times, which sounds crazy, and it's because her parents created this whole business, and I'm so happy that I finally met her. So the next clip is going to be me and my best friend Victoria. I can't believe it, like it just sounds so crazy that we finally met. So yeah, there's gonna be a lot more fun things that I'll show in this video. So enough talking and let's get into this video.
Wait, let's take a selfie.
I'm recording.
Does it film?
Yeah. Okay, so I met with Victoria. We finally met. After 2 years, like, it's so crazy.
It's crazy.
We are on a business trip.
And the business trip is going to start at 7:30. And we will be looking very fine as well.
Okay.
And yeah.
Okay, so I'm bringing a camera bag. Also, I didn't get my Sprite. It's still in the car. I'm bringing a tripod and then a camera bag for my camera. Look at her! Oh god, it's not even focusing. Hello, you look so gorgeous. Okay, let's have a picture.
I'm wearing a black dress with
okay, yeah.
Woo! It looks so good. I can't believe it. How can I do a video? How can I start it?
You're filming already. Okay, hey guys, it is the other day. It is currently 12:13 on Saturday. I woke up at like 9:30. I was rushing to go eat breakfast with my friends. So, okay, right now I am getting ready to go to my second meeting today.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
We decided to meet for breakfast and then she left. It's fine. Okay guys, so it is day 2 in this hotel, so I decided to do a room tour for you guys. Okay, now we just walk in the hotel. And then there's our hotel. So this is the mirror, obviously, where I'm going to be showing you guys my fits. Well, basically, I don't even know. I'm probably going to be showing on the other one, but we'll see. But this is a really huge, long mirror. And also there's my stuff over there. Don't mind that. Then we have a bathroom. This is how the bathroom looks like. I feel like it's so cute. And just over here, this is the closet where you can put your things. So there's the sofa, a chair, and then this stuff. And this is the table where we're gonna put our stuff. This is 2 beds for me and my mom. And then over here we have like a desk over here. Oh, I love this mirror. I'm gonna show you the fit either on this one or that mirror. But this is the mirror. I love it so much. But now let's go to the best view of this hotel, which is the balcony. You guys, I cannot tell how excited I am about it. Like, I feel like we got like the best view here. Okay, first when you walk in, look at the view, guys. Okay, over here we have the outdoor pools. I think there is a aqua park over there, which I'm not even sure where it is. Okay, so we have an amazing view over here. So this is the view from our balcony. Hey guys, okay, so I'm walking from the disco. It was so much fun. Okay, time check. It is currently 11:41. Hey guys, it is the last day of this vacation, which is kind of sad, but I'm really grateful that I'm here. I kind of lost my voice yesterday, but guys, yesterday was so much fun. We had a disco going on, which was really fun. Now I have to go. It is currently 11:17. I woke up pretty late today because I really want to sleep in, because yesterday I went to bed at 2 a.m. Also, yesterday we went to the aqua park. It was so much fun. But yeah, guys, right now I have to go. Also, I really want to show you the view, guys. It's so beautiful. I cannot believe it. You guys, the last day in here, which is crazy. Look at the view. We were in those pools, like in the jacuzzi yesterday.
Start your computations.
Love you so much. Come back.
I will. But that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you see the end of this video, comment this emoji. Also make sure to like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you all back with another video. Love you guys so much. Bye.